Today's video, guys, is about Ramla Resort. So, dadalhin ko lang kayo sa loob, iikot lang tayo, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang Ramla Resort dito sa Malta. So, kung nakikita nyo, ayan, tatlong different, building, pero magkarugtong siya. So, ayan yung sa labas, hindi pa sila tapos, ginagawa pa rin nila yan. At ito yung entrance. And in your left side, yan yung reception. At ang ganda ng ceiling. The design of the ceiling is amazing. Most on green color on this resort or hotel. So, ayan. Dito sa other side is the bar, and ito papunta sa mga rooms. So, this is the gym. Let me see. Yeah, that's the gym. At dito, syempre, papuntang left and stairs. Ayan, yung restaurant and may shop sila. Super laki ng hotel. Hanggang third floor. Reception. Actually, it's not just a third floor sa other side of the building. Up to 6th floor. So, ayan, ang ganda ng design nila.
Outside our room is like this.
Yan yung way papunta sa room namin. Pero yung room na post ko na sa different video. Yung una kong video na post ko na yung itsura ng room. Ayan, super laki niya. At syempre, habang umiikot, taking picture tayo. At ayan pa. Picture first before carry on the tour.
Here, kids playing on. Yeah. Then
At yan yung restaurant. On the other side is the bar, which is our favorite area. Kasi laging may live band every night. So, ang ganda ng view sa labas. Dagat yan. At ayan yung bar. Now we are in the restaurant. Super dami ng foods. Hindi mo lahat matitikman sa isang araw yung mga pagkain nila kasi sobrang dami. Cakes, bread, fruits, etc.
Good morning.
Super laki ng restaurant. Ayan, may mga cereal. So, lahat ng gusto mo, makikita mo dyan. Ham, cheese, and all the staff are so friendly. Thank you all so much. Coffee machine. The view from the inside. At ayan, so we're having our breakfast. Super dami ng foods, pero ang kinakain ko lang lagi is eggs and the salad.
Ano nga yung ating ano?
So, ayan. O, diba? Right.
Good morning.
Sige.
Welcome to Rondo Bay. Welcome to Malta.
Kahit saan magpunta,
May kabayan.
may kabayan. So, ayan.
So, ayan, after our breakfast, nag-tour muna kami sa likod. Labas. Which is napakaganda ng view sa swimming pool. Swimming pool siya, and then katabi yung dagat. Infinity pool. So, ayan, sobrang laki. Again, the next day, our last day.
Our last day. But gonna miss the beautiful view at the back. Yep. May Rambla. So,
At ito yung daan papunta sa swimming pool. Ayan, magtutour din tayo sa swimming pool. Ang ganda at ang linis. So, ayan, papuntang swimming pool tayo. Super ganda. At dito sa kabila meron siyang suna. Hindi ko na nakuhanan ng video yung suna kasi ginawa ko ang video na to umagang umaga. Wala pang katao-tao at sarado pa siya. Ayan. Jacuzzi. Oh. Syempre, picture muna. At meron din jacuzzi sa labas. Sobrang lamig pero masarap magbabad kasi mainit yung tubig. At syempre, another picture sa labas. Super ganda ng view.
So, this is the back of the swimming pool. And it's our last day today, so we're gonna miss this place. So guys, thank you all so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!